The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, is a crucial piece of legislation in the United States. It serves as the backbone of patient data protection. Enacted in 1996, HIPAA is designed to protect the privacy and security of protected health information, or PHI. This legislation was a significant step forward in ensuring that patient data is handled with the utmost care and confidentiality. This sensitive information includes a patient's medical records, billing information, and other health-related data. It encompasses everything from diagnosis details to treatment plans and even insurance information. In the realm of hospice care, where patients are often at their most vulnerable, upholding HIPAA compliance is not just a legal obligation, but a moral imperative. Ensuring the privacy of these patients is crucial for their dignity and peace of mind. Failure to comply with HIPAA regulations can have severe consequences that range from hefty fines to legal action and damage to an agency's reputation. The financial burden can be substantial, and the legal battles can be protracted and damaging. More importantly, HIPAA violations can erode the trust patients and their families place in hospice care providers. Trust is the cornerstone of effective healthcare, and once lost, it can be incredibly difficult to regain. HIPAA provides a framework for safeguarding patient information and ensuring its confidentiality. This framework includes guidelines for data encryption, secure storage, and controlled access. By adhering to HIPAA guidelines, hospice agencies demonstrate their commitment to ethical and responsible healthcare practices. This adherence is a testament to their dedication to patient welfare and data security. This commitment fosters a culture of trust and respect between providers, patients, and their families. It reassures families that their loved ones' information is in safe hands, promoting a sense of security and peace. HIPAA is built on several core principles that work together to create a comprehensive system of protection for patient information. These principles are designed to ensure that sensitive health data is handled with the utmost care and confidentiality. Understanding these principles is fundamental to achieving and maintaining HIPAA compliance. Without a thorough grasp of these core tenets, healthcare providers and organizations may find themselves at risk of violating HIPAA regulations, which can lead to severe penalties. The privacy rule forms the cornerstone of HIPAA, setting national standards for the protection of protected health information, or PHI. This rule is essential in ensuring that personal health information is kept private and secure. This rule dictates how healthcare providers, including hospice agencies, can use and disclose PHI. It establishes clear guidelines on what information can be shared and under what circumstances, ensuring that patient privacy is always a top priority. It empowers patients with rights regarding their health information, including the right to access, amend, and control its use. Patients can request corrections to their records and have a say in who gets to see their information. The security rule specifically addresses the safeguarding of electronic protected health information, or EPHI. This rule is crucial in the digital age, where electronic health records are the norm. In an era dominated by electronic health records and digital communication, protecting EPHI from unauthorized access, use, and disclosure is paramount. The security rule ensures that healthcare providers implement robust security measures to protect this sensitive information. The security rule outlines administrative, physical, and technical safeguards that covered entities must implement. These safeguards are designed to protect EPHI from various threats, including cyber attacks and data breaches. The breach notification rule mandates that covered entities notify affected individuals and the Department of Health and Human Services, or HHS, in the event of a PHI breach. Sometimes there is even a requirement to notify the media of a PHI breach. This rule is vital for maintaining transparency and trust between healthcare providers and patients. This rule ensures transparency and allows for timely mitigation efforts. By promptly informing affected individuals, healthcare providers can take the necessary steps to protect patients from potential harm. Finally, the enforcement rule establishes the procedures for investigating HIPAA violations and imposing penalties. This rule serves as a deterrent against non-compliance and ensures that violations are taken seriously. This aspect of HIPAA underscores the seriousness of compliance and the potential consequences of non-compliance. Healthcare providers must understand that failing to adhere to HIPAA regulations can result in significant fines and damage to their reputation. Hospice agencies often work with third-party vendors such as consultants or software providers. It is important to select a vendor that has HIPAA experience. In addition, use a business associate agreement to ensure that the third-party vendor prioritizes HIPAA compliance and protection of patient data. A business associate agreement is a legally binding contract that specifies the vendor's obligations in protecting the security and privacy of patient data that they handle for your hospice agency. How can you prepare for the event that there is a data breach? Adequate preparation is important to safeguard your hospice agency's reputation and to retain patient trust. Conduct regular assessments so that any vulnerabilities may be addressed early and often, reducing the likelihood of a breach. Also, develop a breach response plan that outlines specific steps that will be taken in the event that a breach occurs. If you have a breach plan, it will help your agency respond quickly in the case that you experience a breach. Having learned about HIPAA, what actions do you think you need to take to ensure the safety and security of your patients' data?